so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink that helps to lower bad cholesterol levels in your body. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug, slice and add 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in your body and improves bone health. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder. Mustard seeds are very healthy and they are a good source of several vitamins including vitamin C and K, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6 and folic acid. They have a high percentage of dietary fiber and a valuable source of several bioactive compounds such as antioxidants and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Then add 1 cup of warm water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. The essence and benefits of the drink are getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice, so half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy drink to reduce bad cholesterol is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat-cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this healthy drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.